Okay guys, these are my blue-green grass guppies. I thought I'd show them this morning. Those are some of the males. If you look at the female, she's got a nice color on her tail and the speckling from the grass. And yeah, I just thought I'd show some of them. They're a little frisky this morning. They're just a beautiful little guppy. They really are. And like I said, even the females, that's a young one there, but they'll start getting their color on the tail. Oh, let's see here. So yeah, actually one of my favorites. My blue green grass.